Yo, what is good, guys? This is going to be the trade recap on how I made $38,000 or pretty much $38,000 in one trade. I did accidentally risk a little bit more to make that amount, but a lot of people are requesting a video for this, so I decided, hey man, let's get something out to the people, give the people what they want. This was just taken using my normal Forex strategy, so if you haven't seen that, I won't go into full detail about how to use it in this video because I have another video that's like pretty much an hour or like 45 minutes long going over the full strategy and how to use it. So if you haven't seen that video, go over. I'll also link it in the description of this video. So yeah, if you haven't seen that video, watch that, then come back to this. It'll make a lot more sense because I'm just going to kind of go off the fact that you guys should understand the strategy. Anyways, so first thing that we do, right, we go into the 30-minute and we find our previous session highs and lows, okay? This was London session, so we have London sessions high all the way up here. We marked that out from the bodies all the way to the top of the wicks, okay? And then we also had the session low of London session from the body of the wicks down to the low of London session. And then I also highlighted, boom, right here, Asian sessions high, okay? So once New York Stock Exchange opened right here, okay, we can see that price came down, all right, came down, took out London sessions low, okay, and right when that happened, I moved over to the 5-minute, and I'm just waiting for a break of structure, okay? This is super similar to my S&P 500 strategy. It's just a little bit different. It's just an easier way to trade Forex. I used this strategy on GBP JPY to turn profitable, and I was using this strategy for like a year and a half until I switched over to the S&P 500. And I mean, as you can see, the strategy still works. Nothing has changed. But yeah, so we have this London session low. We push right past it forcefully, causing a liquidity sweep through here. We tap right into this Asian session high right here, barely. Okay, so that gives me more confluence to potentially look for a long. All I do, I'm waiting for highs to get formed. Okay, so when this low got taken out, I was monitoring this high. Okay, I keep monitoring, candles keep forming, and then boom, we get another high formed and then a break of structure on this candle. So what do? After the break of structure, I quite simply just go long off of the break of structure, stop loss right under here. I could have put it underneath this low, but you know, I'd rather just keep it safe, keep it under the liquidity sweep. Then for take profits, I noticed that Asian sessions, these were Asian sessions high. So I set one take profit to the base of the bodies of this candle right here. Okay, so this was take profit 1. And then similarly, we had London sessions high right here. I put second take profit at the high of at the base of the bodies of London session right here. Okay, and then my take profit 3 was boom, these highs of London session all the way up here. Every take profit got hit. And you can see again, guys, how well this strategy works, because if you look on the opposite end, we can see that, okay, right, price came down into here, took out London lows, rallied. Now what did we do? We take out these London highs, come into our box. What do? We break structure on the 5-minute, and if we just get rid of this for a second, this is where we would have entered off of this break of structure. This candle closed below this low, stop right above this high, right? Where can we potentially take profit? Okay, since we did have that big rally to the upside on this is kind of a large imbalance that we would need to fill, okay? Do I think price is going to come all the way back down in here and take out these lows? I don't know. It's probably not, right? Because we just took a great long position all the way up to these highs. If we look at price action, it's looking relatively bullish, okay? I'm probably not going to be targeting this low. Okay, so what can we do? We can just use all of our methodologies, right? So we could use, boom, equilibrium from here to here as take profit 1. Perfect. Boom, take profit 1 would have already been hit. We can use, let me drag this over a little bit more. We can go ahead and use this 15-minute order block, right? That could be take profit 2. Boom, take profit 2 hit, and then finally take profit 3 could again be this London low, right? We could do it at the top of this or at the bottom. But again, right, I don't think price is going to come all the way down and take out these lows, so I would probably just do it like this. 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio, 2 take profits would have already been hit using the same strategy. Okay, so let's get rid of all of this, bring it back to what we had going. There we go. All right, so that was pretty much it, guys. It's super freaking simple strategy. You just got to mark out the sessions. Okay, so what I'm going to do from here now, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of this, and I can show you how we can set it up on here. Might as well just get rid of all these drawings. Oops. It's not working. There we go. All right, so this is what we can do now. Okay, so first thing that you want to do, I'm kind of giving a little overview of the strategy right now, but I have my time set to London just because the person that taught me when the sessions open, he was from the UK, so I've just remembered it that way. He told me what the numbers were, and I never forgot them. So if you guys want to do it the same as me, Asian session starts at 0.00000000. Okay, perfect. Asian session right here. London session starts at 8. New York session opens at 1300 pre-market for New York, and London session actually continues throughout this, but we do want to mark when New York session actually starts because that's new money coming into the market. Okay, so that's how you'd set it up, and then let's say like right we're just new to this. This is how we would mark it, right? So from the body to the high, okay, and then let's also mark when Asian session starts. Right here, okay, we have London session low within here, okay, then we have Asian session low within here, right? That's all we're doing. That's as simple as it gets, okay? We can go over to gold. I had some things marked up on here, okay? We didn't really have clean action on gold for this, and you're not always going to get clean action. You're not always going to get a dip into a session low, but like right here, for example, okay, what session was this? This was previous day's New York session. We have the low right here, going to the 5-minute, right? You could try and find like a break of structure somewhere. We did have a break of structure right here. Could have gone long, stop under here, but it is late into New York session. But yeah, man, it was a pretty freaking simple trade. Just ended up paying out really well. We've been not necessarily struggling with the S&P, but the S&P just hasn't been giving good price action. So it was nice to get this trade. I think I'm going to take a lot more Forex trades in the future. We can go ahead and set up GBP USD as well. Again, guys, like just upon opening this, I can already see, right, touch into this session's high, right? We can mark this, boom, super tight, mink, okay, 5-minute, boom, where's the break of structure? Right here, okay. Short position, where would we enter on the closure below this low? Perfect. You can put the stop right up there. First take profit could be right here, even though that's not necessarily optimal because it's not a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. It's pretty close. You also could have put your stop loss above this high. That probably would have made it a better risk to reward. And then boom, second take profit could be all the way down here. Who knows if that's going to get hit, but yeah, hopefully you guys learned something from this. I just want to do a quick little overview of the trade because I know a lot of people were asking about it. Super simple, and if you want to learn the strategy fully in detail, I'll link it in the description. Then I'll also tag it at the end of this video. But that's it. That's how I made all that money. And it's funny because like with trading, guys, capital is really your biggest issue. So what your plan should be isn't necessarily like, I want to make so much money super quick with such little capital. It's just not going to happen, okay? You're not going to make a lot of money really quick with little capital. You have to have capital to make money. So how can you do that? Either work a job on the side with trading while you're learning trading, or open up a funded account once you know for a fact that you're profitable. A lot of you guys are opening funded accounts with 3 months of trading experience, with 0 months of profitability, and just no clue of what you guys are doing. You are better off putting that $1,000 that you put into a $200,000 funded account challenge. You're better off going to the casino with that and making a couple $100, because you're just not going to pass the challenge, guys. These challenges have these rules and regulations for a reason. One, they're not sustainable. I talked to Lambo Raul about this while I was in Miami. We came to the same decision. Prop firms, they're great for 1, 2, 3 payouts, but I'm sorry, you will not be consistent enough to keep up that specific win rate, keep up with those drawdown rules, because these prop firms, they're built to make you lose. They're a business, guys. Think, read through the lines, okay? I tell you guys this all the time. Our whole world is full of manipulation. If you think these prop firms are on your side, if you think these prop firms just want to give you money to trade with, you got to be out of your mind. They want you to lose. Okay? You ever like make some stupid mistake on a funded account and you're like, "Oh, bro, like texting support," cuz I know damn well I did this when I was unprofitable. Trust me, guys, I've been in your position. I've been in your area before. I was literally just in your position. So trust me, I've been through every single problem that you guys have had. I've been through it all. Trust, okay? So I'm trying to help you here. You're texting support saying, "Oh no, but I tried to set my stop loss and then whatever, and then it didn't work, and then I used too big of a lot size, please, like it was a mistake." And they say, "Nope, sorry, no refund. You're just going to have to buy another one." So what do? You want a revenge trade. You want to get back into it. Boom, press buy again. They got you. That's their plan. You are a part of their business model. You are the ones paying them. Okay? I just thought I should throw that out there in case you guys didn't realize that this whole world, everything here is manipulated, guys. Everything's a business. Whether you know it's a business or not, the government, that's a fucking business, all right? Cause wow, man, like if we can see anything in terms of manipulation, we can see it through the charts. And I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but this represents the Great British Pound. This represents the Japanese yen. This represents the U.S. stock market as a whole. So you're telling me that all of this just gets manipulated, and it's just the charts that are manipulated. It's nothing behind the scenes. Doesn't make any sense. The people that are running this stuff, manipulation. Put that in your head. Trust me, once you start seeing manipulations on the charts, you'll grow as a person. You'll understand this world a lot more. It'll do amazing things for you. That's why I love the way that I trade, because you can make money trading retail concepts. You can make money trading fractals. You can make money trading however, okay? Everyone has their own different strategy. Strategy really doesn't matter. But the reason why I like the way that I trade is because you can see through their bullshit. You can see what they're trying to make you do, and then you can do the opposite because you know that's what they actually have planned. Once you can see through the BS, that's when you will be profitable, okay? And once you see that they are trying to make you overtrade, they are trying to make you over leverage your account, guys, because they have to move the markets in the direction that they want to go, and they're using you. So don't let that be you. Hopefully you learned something from this video. I know we put the tinfoil hat on for a little bit, but it had to be said, because some of y'all just be too trusting in this stuff, guys. You're way too trusting. Let me be the tour guide of just the madness of the world that we live in for you guys. I'm ready to go full force with all these educational videos. You're going to start seeing one of these once a day from me, or hopefully once a day. I'm really excited. Let's get after it. Don't give up on your trading journey. If anything, this is proof enough that if I can do it, you guys can do it too. Don't fucking give up. You guys got to remember, I've been doing this for 5 years now. A lot of y'all have barely even cracked 3 months, okay? It sounds like a long time. It was a long time for me, but if you're learning from me, You're in the right place, because I'm literally, everything that I'm teaching you guys is what I wish I had from a mentor when I was unprofitable. I'm literally giving you guys every single thing that mentors back then were not giving. They were not showing losses back then. None. Nada. I post losses on my Instagram story. I post losses on TikTok for 90,000 people to see every single day. So people can actually get a good picture of what trading is all about. I had a losing week 2 weeks ago, and it was just fucking hilarious to see all the people shitting on me saying, yeah, your strategy doesn't work anymore. You got nerfed. You can't trade. Bro, I've had 2 losing weeks in the past 8 months of trading. 2 losing weeks. And you're trying to tell me that I don't know what I'm doing? Dude, that's like telling someone who goes to the casino every single day, right? I go to the casino, I'm locking in every single month. I've been 8 months profitable. Haven't had a losing month. That's like someone go to the casino every single day. Maybe they have some losing days. Maybe they have a losing week. Maybe they have 2 losing weeks, for my case. But after 8 months, they made hella fucking bread. Would you not trust that person? After 8 months. That seems pretty consistent. And that's how long I've been documenting this journey. That's how long I've been posting TikToks saying, hey, this is how much I made. Hey, this is how much I lost. I don't know. I don't know, bro. And if you can't see that, like, I'm really trying to help y'all. I'm sorry. Maybe you just have an issue with me. Maybe, you know, I don't know. Something might be wrong with you, because, dude, if I had the knowledge that I'm like giving out to y'all right now, like, you guys will be able to turn a lot profitable a lot quicker than what I did. It took me 2 whole years and just had to go through hell to learn this shit. And now I'm just giving this shit out for free, because I know what trading has done for me in my life. And oh man, the opportunities that it has given me, bro. Like I like when I get on Zoom and I talk about trading with my Discord, like especially like my history, dude, I get teary-eyed. I get like really emotional when I'm talking about it, because like what this has done, what these charts have done for me in life. Yeah, I was depressed. Yes, I had anxiety, and I was in hell, bro. I was broke. I had no clue where I wanted to go with my life, and I was just lost. A lost little kid, bro. But for some reason, like, it just worked for me, and it made sense. And some of y'all are probably in the same position. And if anything, you know, maybe 2 or 3 people will get it out of all you guys watching this. But if those 2 or 3 people get it, that will be enough for me. Because I just know the impact that trading has had on my life, and just like being able to sit here and be like, yeah, I bought a house at 21. Yes, I bought my mom a car at 19. Nothing compares to that, bro. Nothing. And y'all didn't even know me back then. Y'all know me pretty well now, because I'd be putting my whole life on social media for y'all to see, because this is just fun for me. But trading is like, I don't even know I can't put it into words how much this stuff has changed my life, guys. Here we go again, getting emotional about it. But I don't want to give you guys like a sob story, but this is life-changing, man. And to have the opportunity to have a platform to share what I've learned over the 5 years of me doing this, the ins and outs of it, I feel blessed to be able to show you guys this stuff, to show you guys what I've learned, and I appreciate you guys for rocking with me, for, you know, like the day one people. You know I have hella haters, but that's what you get when you're doing something right. And I know a lot of you guys really fuck with me, so it means a lot. I'm just thankful for the opportunity to be able to show you guys this stuff, because I know what it's done for me, and I know what is possible for you guys if you understand this and if you learn this. It's going to be hard. This is one of the hardest things to learn. But trust me, if me, a dumbass high schooler who never went to any college classes, who had damn near no social life, was able to do it. Y'all can too. So with that, I'm going to leave you guys. Hopefully you learned something. I appreciate y'all, and this trade that I didn't take, but was just like back test, is about to hit take profit 1. So I appreciate y'all. Stay safe, stay up, get your fucking bread up, get your fucking mind up. Don't let anybody tell you shit. Don't let anybody tell you shit. Okay, you are that man or woman. If you're a woman, bang my line. Or actually, I don't know. Send a face pic first. But anyways, that's it. I'll catch y'all. Peace out. Jitterbugs.